bit overkill.
That's fine, I've seen worse.
Well, I've only got this because it's full face, so...
Have you tested it?
I have, yes.
Yeah,
I've done...
I can see the things on it.
You know what you do this. Breathe.
You wanker! You fucking wanker!
Hi operators, my name is Shep TF17 and welcome to my CQB video. This CQB video was taken at the Vault in Bury. It's a rather local site to me and it's actually a very friendly place. After so many years of actually saying I'll do airsoft, I decided to go back and actually do airsoft. I had done it previously at the Vault before, but never actually recorded it at the Vault. This footage was recorded on a original GoPro, so it's not the best quality, but it will do until I can afford a newer edition. Now let's get on with the video. In this part of the video, the game manager is explaining the aim of this close quarters battle. The close quarters battle was called Tock. Players are split up into two teams, ours being red and skins, and are given two timers. Whoever on each team holds the timer must step into a room into a perfect square and reset their timer. The room is effectively known as a no-stay area, which means that you can't stay in that area for longer than 10 seconds at least.
Yeah. Go. Go back. Go.
Watch it, love.
Steve, what's it on? Yeah.
Let me put the foot on it. Let me put a foot on it.
Yeah.
Getting the feeling the man.
You got that one? I thought you were aiming at me.
Who are you?
Skin.
I've got that corridor. Oh, sorry. Oh, fuck. Ah! Whoa! Don't worry, there's no one there. Ah, hit! Marshall.
I'm not even friendly.
I know.
I'm the rat.
Well, that's why I said Marshall.
Oh.
I don't think it's changed.
What's going on here? Stop shooting us then. Stop shooting us then.
Oh, right, okay. I thought they were still there last time.
They were, now they're not. What they did? What a shot, Morning.
I've got it back.
Yeah.
Clear.
Right, just cover that corridor there.
Yeah.
Now that tree, there's a little gap here. So.
At this point, I was pretty much waiting for the enemy to come down the back corridor so I could actually shoot them, but no one actually did.
Who's got the timer?
I do.
Skins.
Go on, Jack. Oh.
Not long after, I decided to fall back towards our spawn and hold down a three-way corridor position. It would enable me to see any enemies coming towards the room, but also cover the same right flank that I was covering moments ago.
Hey, step on! Step on!
Whoa!
It may seem to the average eye viewer that these pellets actually might have hit me. However, they actually ricocheted off the wall behind me. In fact, you can actually hear them bounce back off that same wall. One of them also went above my head and ricocheted back off that same wall again. It was a pretty close call, but I think I got away with it.
Down there? Right.
Yeah.